There are 3 points of views to choose from when you decide to write a story. There is the first person point of view, the second person point of view, and the third person point of view. Today I'm going to take you through using the first person point of view to write a story. But first, what is the first person point of view? In definition, the term first person points to self. So when you decide to write a story from the first person point of view, you are writing from the viewpoint of self. You're going to write that story telling what I saw, what I hear, what I felt, what I smelled, and so on. And this pretty much needless to say, you're going to be using first person singular and first person plural. Now, there are 2 limitations in using the first person point of view. Limitation 1. You cannot have a scene in your story in which the I character is absent. Remember, the story is written from self, what I saw, what I heard, what I felt. So that means I have to be in every scene. So when you're writing the story, the I character has to be in every scene of the story. For example, in making this video right now, I cannot tell you what is happening in the town, the other town. I cannot tell you what is happening in the other room. So that's the same logics that apply to writing your story. The I character can only describe what is happening in his presence. This means he has to be present in every scene. And that limits you as a writer, because then you cannot tell, what is happening in other parts of the story. You have to put the I character there in order to describe it. For example, there is a murder happening on the bridge, and your I character is lying in bed. Now, you cannot tell the reader what is happening on the bridge and what happening inside the bedroom with the I character. In order to let the reader knows what is happening on the bridge, you would have to take the I character out of the bedroom, put him on the bridge, and then you can describe it. Then you can say, I saw the young man with the knife committing the crime. So limitation number 1 is that the I character has to be in every scene. The limitation number 2 in using the first person point of view to tell your story is that the I character, you can only describe the thoughts of the I character. This is a big limitation. You have a story of a cast, say a cast of 300 characters. And you can only describe the thoughts of 1 character. Imagine a story of 300 characters, and you can only describe the thoughts of 1 character, and that is the I character. So you could not have a scene where your I character is sitting in a hotel lobby talking to, say, another character named Sandra. Maybe you want to tell the reader what's going on through Sandra's mind, but you can't. Because in using the I character, in using the first person point of view, you can only tell your own thoughts. That's the thoughts of the I character. So in using the first person point of view to tell your story, only the I character's thoughts are alive. The thoughts of the other characters are pretty much dead. You cannot tell the reader what they are thinking. So those are the two limitations in using the first person point of view. One, your I character has to be in every scene. Two, you can only describe the thoughts of the I character. Thanks guys for watching, and I'm an author on Amazon, and I would love to answer any question you have about literature. Just post your question right now down there and I will respond with a video. Thanks for watching.